Little Grizz.
Oh, it's okay. Was that over dramatic?
That was a little.
Okay. You gonna ask me what I'm doing?
What are you doing?
I'm fixing to put a pencil curl in.
And why do we put pencil curls in? Because they're so pretty?
Yeah, that's what it is. Really, it holds the shape. One thing we don't put, they're not pressed with a lot of stiffener and stuff.
In a steam press?
Yeah, it gives them more pliability.
Keeps the brim from getting droopy?
Huh?
Does it keep the brim from getting droopy?
Yes, it does. See right there. And if you're out in a big wind, everything it looks like you just pull it off your head, gives a little bit. And my irons are getting a little cool, but this might be probably the last one of the day, because now I get to go play lumberjack.
I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay.
Oh, really? Because I got to cut some being we didn't get the wood delivered. Of course, we're not going to talk about that, okay? See, you don't hear it sizzling anymore?
Yep, there's no sizzle. I was just thinking about that. There's no sizzle anymore. We can tell they're really cooled down.
So,
this is what happens when Joy is busy doing some of the other work of the business.
hey, yeah.
And Joy can't just sit here and film all the time. I wish I could.
But that's the beauty of having two irons,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to work. Yeah, it's everything's fine now.
Now this is a sand color for those of you that are watching. This is a sand colored Lil Grizz. Oh, good morning, Stan. Stan says hi.
Hey!
We've got several people watching, but folks, we can't talk to you if you don't type, because I can't see real well who's here.
Okay, and then...
Now, who remembers what comes next? Hello, Kelly. Kelly Butcher's watching.
Alright, and then... set my chair and start evening it out. See how it's pretty thick on that side?
Yeah.
I mean, tip pretty tall, so... Round and round.
Round and round and round we go. Round and round and round we go. Round and round and round we go.
Folks, do we really
Putting
need
the Vince
that?
Curly in today.
Do we really need that? Out there that's watching and listening and everything, hold your right hand up and say, no, we don't need that.
Hey.
I know you're going to sing it again.
Round and round and round we go. Round and round and round we go. Round and round and round we go. Putting the pencil curl in. And we're going to say hello to Dustin this morning from Pulaski, Iowa.
All right. Get any snow up there?
I don't know. Dustin, do you have any snow? We're wishing for some Christmas snow. Of course, I have to go to town tomorrow and on Christmas Eve evening, so I guess I don't want too much. But once I get home on Christmas Eve evening and get Alfred back here, then it can snow. So like about 10, 11 o'clock, it would be lovely to have a Christmas snow come in.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. They're talking about high wind and rain. Only thing is going to be 26.
Oh, yay. And I got to drive in that, hopefully.
Hopefully
Let's see. Gary and Janae Barella say hello from American Falls, Idaho, that they love watching you make your hats and they hope to buy one someday. We would love to have you in our hat family, Gary and Janae. And Johnny Palacos says, wow, it looks great. Now, see, nobody's saying anything about the song. Does anybody love the song? Does anybody hate the song? Stan said he's going to be humming it all day long. Stan, I can give you some more earworms if you want them.
No, that's okay. We'll stick with that one today. Okay, so I've got the girl in, and bye.
Bye.